What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, let me ask you one question. So what's the point of making money in crypto if you can't easily spend it in real life? Okay, because a lot of persons are making money from arbitrage, airdrops, even trading, but when it's time to actually use that money, that's where the problem starts. Okay, so guys, a lot of banks, they block transactions, your card gets declined, some platforms don't even accept crypto at all. Okay, so you are stuck with money, but you can't use it freely. All right. But recently, guys, I found something that actually solves this problem and I have been testing it. Okay. It's called PSTNET. And the most amazing part is it basically gives you a virtual card that you can fund directly with crypto. Okay. So with PSTNET, you can create virtual USD cards instantly and fund them with crypto like USDT, BTC, and even over 18 different coins, guys. Okay. And what's crazy is their Ultima card works almost everywhere. Okay. So I'm talking about subscriptions, online shopping, booking flights, basically anything that accepts a normal card. Okay, the PST Ultima card actually does that, guys. All right, so each card comes with full details, card number, expiry date, and CCV, just like a real bank card, guys. Okay, and most of them support 3D secure, which means your transactions are protected, guys. All right, so make sure to stick with me all through this video, guys, so I show you exactly how this works. Okay, how you can start using this card for your own benefit each and every single day. Okay, so guys, if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what to do here is to give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space. Because I, for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so whenever Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. All right, guys, so here we are back on the website homepage right now. So guys, before you can start using the PSTNET virtual dollar card, you first of all need to have signed up successfully on the website. Okay, so guys, how can you sign up? I'm going to be leaving the sign up link to the PSTNET website on this video description, and also it's going to be on my Telegram and WhatsApp community, guys. Okay, so all you just simply need to do is go over there, hit on the link, and it's going to bring you over to this page just like you see mine right here. Okay, so guys, when you are here, what you simply do is up here that says sign up, you just simply hit on sign up, guys. Okay, it's going to load up. Here we are, guys. So as you can see over here, it says just one step to get first card in 1 minute. Okay, and down below here it says you can actually sign up using your Google, your Apple ID, your Telegram ID, and as well your WhatsApp number, as you can see right here. Okay, or you can actually sign up using your email. Okay, so I'm going to be signing up using my email right now, guys. I'm going to hit on email down below here. Okay, so I'm going to input all my details right here, guys, and I'm going to be right back. Okay, so let's go. All right, guys, so I'm done inputting my details. So down below here that says by creating a new card you agree to our privacy policy. I'm going to tick on it, and right here that says I'm not based in a certain countries. I'm going to hit on it as well. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place down below here that says sign up, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Boom, guys, so as you can see right here, I just created a brand new account on PSTNET. Okay, so these are different menus right here on the PSTNET dashboard. Okay, so up here says top up. You actually want to top up your account, all you just simply need to do is hit on the top up button right here. You can actually top up using Tether, USDT, Bitcoin, and other methods right here, as you can see, guys. Okay, and mind you, guys, funding your card right here is actually instant. Okay, aside from using crypto in funding your card, you can also use bank transfer and normal debit cards to also fund your card. Okay, so that is it, guys. They also have 24/7 support and a Telegram bot that sends you notifications and even your 3D secure codes. Okay, so that is amazing. All right, so now let's talk about the fees and the benefit, guys. All right, so guys, about the fees, this is where it actually gets interesting. There are 0 fees on transactions, 0 fees on refunds, 0 fees on declines, and even 0 fees on withdrawals. Okay, and if you're a new user, your first USDT deposit is completely free. Okay, no fees at all, guys. That is basically how amazing it is at this point. Okay, and one of the power features I also like about the PST virtual card is that it actually has no limit. Okay, you can create as many cards as you want and spend as much as you want. All right, you also have a mobile app on Play Store and as well your Apple Store, so you can manage everything easily on your phone. Okay, so that is basically how amazing it is, guys. All right, so over here that is exchange. You can actually exchange your USDT to USD or whatever currency you actually want to exchange to. As you can see, let's say you have actually funded your account using USDT like I showed you. You can easily come over here to actually select the currency you actually want to convert to. So you can actually convert to US dollar, you can convert to euro, or you can also convert to Bitcoin, as you can see right here. Okay, and down below here it says that the deposit fee is actually free. It says no fee. Okay, so that is actually amazing, guys. All right, so as you can see down here, guys, you get 3% cash back when you actually make payments using Facebook, Google, or TikTok. So that is actually amazing. All right, so as you can see down below here, let's say you actually want to purchase the PSTNET Ultima card. All you just simply do is down here that says issue a card, you can just simply hit on it, guys. Okay, it's going to load up. All right, so as you can see over here, these are the different card tariffs. So you have the weekly tariff, which is also the weekly plan, and it's currently just 7 USDT, as you can see right here, guys. Okay, you also have the monthly tariff, which is 16 USDT, and lastly, guys, you have the annually tariff, which is just $99. Okay, so as you can see over here, it says payment system, so you can actually choose between the master 3D secure, or the Visa 3D Secure. Okay, it's actually your choice, guys. All right. So over here, let's say you're actually going for the weekly card tariff. You just simply hit on weekly right here. Okay. Then you select whatsoever payment system you want, if it's the Master or the Visa. Okay, so down below here it says 3D Secure. If the store requires a confirmation code while paying by card, you receive it in your profile. You can also set up the sending codes through our official Telegram bot. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can do this, guys. All right, so down below here it says that the desired card balance should be 50 USD. Okay, so this is the total amount you'll be sending inside your account. You're going to be making your weekly payment of $7. Starting balance of the card is $50. Okay, remember this one is actually for you and not for them. Okay, and as you can see right here, it says top up fees 8%. So the total top up should be 61.35 USDT. Okay, they actually added their 8% top up fee right here. So that is basically how amazing it is, guys. All right, so before we proceed, guys, as you can see right here, it says attention, please be aware that attempting to use this with e-wallet services like Apple Pay, Google Pay, etc could lead to your card being deactivated. Okay, so make sure you actually abide to their instructions right here. Okay, so when you're actually done choosing your plan and everything, down below here that says by creating a new card, you agree to our privacy policy, blah blah blah. You just simply hit on this box right here, and then over here that says continue, you just simply hit on continue, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Here we are. So as you can see right here, it says PST.NET verification. You're about to submit sensitive data to PST.NET. If you receive this link from a suspicious source, please close this page and notify us immediately. Okay, so I'm going to hit on continue right here because this is actually a genuine source. Okay, so it says let's get you verified. Follow the simple steps below. I'm going to hit on this place right here that says start verification. As you can see right here, it says provide identity document. Okay, so guys, before you can actually have this card, you first of all need to have done your KYC right here. Okay, as you can see, these are the basic requirements. You just simply select your country. If you're actually from Nigeria, select Nigeria. If you're not from Nigeria, just hit on it and select your country. As you can see, they actually support various countries right here, guys. Okay, just simply select your country and then just simply input your document type. Let's say you actually have a driver's license, you just simply hit on it. If you actually have your ID card, you can just simply hit on it, or whatsoever government issued ID you have, you can just simply input it right here, and boom, guys, that is basically how you can go about this. Okay, so how can you actually join their Telegram? You can simply join their Telegram by hitting on this notification bar right here, and then over here that says news and offer, you just simply hit on it, and then you actually secure your account by joining either Telegram or WhatsApp, as you can see right here. Okay, so that is basically how you can join them, guys. All right, so let's say you actually want to make a withdrawal. All you just simply do is over here that shows this arrow, you just simply hit on the arrow, and you get to see options right here. As you can see, you can actually withdraw on account for user PST, or you can withdraw to the external address of the wallet. Okay, so let's say you actually want to withdraw to external wallet address, you just simply hit on it and hit on continue right here, guys. Okay, as you can see, all you simply do is impute your TRC20 wallet address right here, and then as you can see, it says that the transfer amount is 10 USDT minimum. Okay, so that is basically how it is, and it says that the service fee is actually no charge. You actually charge nothing, guys. Okay, so that is how amazing it is, guys. All right, that is basically how you can withdraw. Okay, and down below here that says payments, you get to see all your payments right here on the payment section. Okay, and over here that says menu, if you actually hit on it right now, guys, as you can see, you get to see your account, you get to see finance, private team, you get to set up a lot of things right here. Okay, so let's say you actually want to invite a friend right here to come start using PST virtual card. You can just simply hit on team. Okay, and then you simply hit on the invite member button right here, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can do that. So I'm going to go back right now. So let's say you actually want to verify your account, you just simply hit on verification right here as well. Okay, so that is it. That is how you can actually go about this, guys. All right, so if you want to try it out, guys, I've put the link in the description, and also I pinned the link in the comment section. Okay, so you can actually go check it out, guys, especially if you are serious about making money and using money online. Okay, so this can actually help you a lot, guys. All right, so in my next video I'm going to be showing you how I use this tool like this to actually make money daily with crypto. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out, guys. All right, so this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today, guys. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now, and if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to actually smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time amazing videos like this one you just watched right now has been uploaded right here on this channel. Okay, so guys, thank you once more for watching this video, guys. Do have a wonderful day. Peace out.